Hi guys, Namaste. Welcome to FitNCalm. This is Tejasvi. So today we have a short practice to stretch your body, and for this all you need is your time. So you can just stand anywhere and do these stretches. Anyone can do it. So wear something comfortable and let's get started. Let's begin today's practice. Now interlace your hands behind. You can catch the opposite elbows or catch wherever it is possible, and lift the knee up and down. Lift the foot and the knee up. Continue. We are just like marching. Lift up and down. Make sure you're lifting the heel also up properly. Lift up and down. Show you from the side. Keep supporting your spine and continue. Just warming up the body. Breathe in and breathe out. Continue. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. And now slowly come onto your toes. Just walk on your toes. Keep walking on your toes. Come up tall as much as you can and just walk on the toes. Continue walking. And slowly come back. And now walk on your heels. You can walk around, just go around. Continue. Few more circles if you're on the mat. Very good. And come back. Now walk on the inner edges of the legs. The outer edges come up. Walk on the inner edges of the legs. Continue. Forward and back. And relax. Now walk on the outer edges of your feet. Keep looking straight with a smile. Keep walking. Very good. And relax. Release the hands. Relax. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Relax. And now we'll place our palms on our hips, hip rotation clockwise. Continue, making sure your head is forward, chin parallel to the ground. There's a lot of stress accumulated in the hip region because of if you have a seated working job. Opposite direction. Last time. And relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Relax your hands. Now we'll make big circles with your hands. Take them up, back and down. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction. Continue. And relax. Now take your left hand up, right hand remains down. Stretch your left hand up towards the ceiling, right hand towards the floor. Keep looking at the left palm. Go towards the right knee and come up and to the other side. Lift up the right hand, look towards the right palm. Stretch up, let the right palm go towards the ceiling. Left palm towards the floor, look up towards the right palm. And up. Once again, left, stretch up, right, left, and right, left, right, left, and right. center left and come back and relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Take your hands up, interlace your hands, stretch up first, stretch your whole body upwards, stretch. Now come onto your toes, lift the heels up, just hold it there. Keep breathing, hold, keep stretching up. 3, 2, and 1. Release the heels down, just bend to the right. Inhale center, exhale to the left. Inhale center, twist to the right. Inhale center, exhale, twist to the left. Inhale center, release your hands. Breathe in and breathe out. Now just cross your right foot near the left. Place your left palm on the hip. Take the right hand and just bend towards the left side. Observe that stretch on the right side of the body. Breathe in and breathe out. In and out. Come back to the center and to the other side. Cross the left leg over the right palm on the waist. Left hand goes up, bicep close to the ear, bend towards the right side. Feel that stretch on the left side of the body. In and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Come back to the center and relax. And now bend your right leg from the knee. See if you can catch the foot. Your left palm can be on the waist. Just hold it there. Keep pressing the knee back. Stay here. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Now with the other leg, bend the left leg from the knee. Feel free to take the support of the wall whenever required. Bend the leg, catch your ankle. Your right hand can be on your waist. Hold it there. 3, 2, and 1. Release. Breathe in and breathe out. Now you can place your hands on your knees. Just bend and come back. Once again, go down and back. Bend and back. Relax. Palms on your waist again. Lift up the right leg. Just make circle with the foot. And opposite direction. Rotate and relax. With the other leg, bend it from the knee and make a circle. Opposite direction. And relax. Breathe in and breathe out. Now take your hands behind, interlace your hands and slowly lift up the chest. Take your head back, open up the chest. Open up the shoulders completely. Stay. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Once again, lift up the chest and slowly start bending forward. Lift the hands up. Bend forward. Stay there. Bend forward as much as you can. Look towards your knees. 3, 2, and 1. Inhaling, we slowly come up and relax. And now take your right leg forward. Place the right heel on the floor. Now place your palms on your waist. Slowly start bending forward so that you'll feel that light stretch on the right leg. Stay here. Look towards your right knee. And inhaling, we come up, relax. With the other leg, take the left leg forward, bend forward from the waist, look towards your knee. Hold it there. 3, 2, and 1. Breathing in, slowly come up and relax. We'll gently close our eyes. Observe that stretch in the body. Breathe in and and exhale through the mouth. Once again, breathe in, exhale through your mouth, in, relax, and slowly open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining us. I hope you've enjoyed this practice. May you stay fit and calm.